Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2013 E350 4Matic. The 4Matic is all-wheel drive. 350 is a 3.5 liter. This is a direct injected V6, 302 horsepower. So very powerful, smooth, and very efficient. The colors are Iridium Silver Metallic, black interior. This is the sport package. It gives you the more aggressive ground effects in the redesigned front bumper. The side skirts are more aggressive, and as well as the rear bumper. Also, this has 18-inch AMG wheels. Gives it a real sporty look. Body's in very nice condition. This has the keyless entry and keyless ignition. To lock it, just push the button, it locks, and grab the handle, it unlocks, as long as you have the key on you. So power heated seats in the front. Both sides have 3-position memory. It's a nice wood grain interior. This has the sport steering wheel, as well as paddle shifters behind the steering wheel if you desire to shift it manually. Power moonroof. This has the black headliner. Gives it a really luxurious look. Lots of really nice looking wood. That's real wood. It's not plastic. And to start it, you just push the button. It starts up. So the navigation screen. This has a backup camera. There it goes. In-dash 6-disc CD. Automatic climate control with an independent temperature control. Rain sensing windshield wipers.